Hello, what we have for sale here is a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. So I just want to do a short demonstration video for you. As you can see, they're about 46,000 miles showing on the odometer. Gauges are working, tachometer works as it should. Even the clock is working on this car. Interior is very nice. You can see no cracks in the dashboard. Radio works as well. Lower motor on the heater is not working, but you're probably going to be driving this car in more warmer weather anyway. You see it's got a power seat as well, which works. And I'll just kind of walk around the car for you. Door panel is very nice as well. Beautiful white and aqua vinyl interior. Seat belts have been added for your safety, so that's nice. The car is Thunderbird Blue, which is arguably one of the best colors for 1955. It's been recently repainted. It is the original color, and it just has a very iconic look to it. Paint is nice and shiny. Just got that classic Thunderbird look, which is really gorgeous. And you can hear how nicely the car idles. You know, it's very smooth, it's very quiet. A lot of mechanical work has been done to this car in the last several years. The most recent owner has owned it since 2015, and the transmission has been rebuilt, the carburetor has been rebuilt. It's got a new master cylinder, new exhaust system, new fuel pump. Fuel filter, of course, was done at the same time. Electrical work has been done as well. You can kind of see the link in the description to kind of get the full summary of all the work that's been done to this car. All the receipts for that work will be included with sale. The car does come with a Snowshoe White hardtop that was also repainted when the car was painted, so it was just a couple years ago. It's in very good condition. There are still photos of that as well in the link for you to have a look at. So there you have it. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be happy to get you any information you might need. Thank you.